Peddinghaus, innovative steel fabricating technologies. The steel construction industry faces many challenges in the 21st century. Each project is fast-tracked with severe penalties incurred for late delivery. The burden for meeting multiple job changes many times falls upon detailers, engineers, and ultimately the fabrication shop operation. These individuals must be in position to react quickly and efficiently when change orders or modifications plague a field project.
Being we have two shops, one in Great Falls and Billings, we have been able to prefabricate material for our Billings facility, so all they have to do is the assembly and welding. That saves them a lot of time in the fabrication too, so that's improved their man hours per ton.
Established in 1903, Peddinghaus has been instrumental in providing quality equipment for virtually every major construction project in the world. As the industry leader in innovative technology for structural steel and heavy plate fabrication, Peddinghaus maintains 4 manufacturing facilities to ensure our industry partners receive timely deliveries and superior customer service. In structural steel fabrication, labor costs need to be minimized on the shop floor. Yet architectural designs become more intricate and demanding. In no other area of fabrication is labor more intense than in the burning of structural sections. Block-type copes, flange weld preparation, mechanical cutouts, castellations, haunches, beam splitting, and cutoff for both straight and miter cuts are daily requirements for structural fabrication. The typical method of measuring for layout includes using a square, finding the soapstone, picking up, igniting and adjusting the torch, placing the goggles, finding the grinder to dress the cut for inspection. With the goal of reducing man-hours per ton for this tedious coping process, Peddinghaus introduced CNC structural burning to the steel construction industry in 1987. The ABCM 1250-3 is a fully automated system which integrates computer-controlled material positioning and burning in a compact design for location on any shop bay. All ignition, preheating, and cutting functions are performed by program command without operator intervention. As every steel fabricator knows, time is money. A nationwide survey of fabricators revealed that the average time to produce one cope manually is between 15 and 20 minutes. With the ABCM 1250, 2 copes can be achieved in only 1.5 minutes. After allowing 20 seconds to reposition, the 2 trailing end copes are cut and the beam is processed in under 4 minutes. Increased productivity is achieved via multiple axis positioning, which allows top and bottom flanges to be cut simultaneously. The torches float to maintain consistent burning distance. The leading end of the section engages the electronic zeroing device, which is ideal for pre- or post-drilling of the member. Vertical and horizontal material clamps automatically adjust to the section size being processed without operator setup. Automatic adjustment of the web torch height to the actual section being cut. The slender web torch tip can position within 5/16 inch to the flange for shallow copes or rat holes, critical when welding backer bars for moment connections. The 2 flange torches pivot automatically to left or right for miter cuts up to 45 degrees. Addressing mill tolerance issues is a major concern for every fabricator. It is even more pronounced when trying to achieve structural copes when burning. Issues such as beam camber and sweep, out of square conditions, beam depth and flange height tolerance coupled with web off-center conditions or flange towed in or out compound the typical coping and burning process. As the ABCM 1250 does not employ a robotic motion, the operator simply monitors operation and is not required to perform finite adjustments during the cutting process. With a 50-inch wide by 18.5-inch height opening, the ABCM is capable of processing all structural sections: beams, columns, channel, and angle iron. Industry experience has taught Peddinghaus that the most advantageous and ergonomic location for the operator is on a platform where he can monitor all machine functions, access the CNC control, and view all material handling and crane movements in the shop bay. Recognizing the difficulties fabricators face in obtaining experienced shop personnel, Peddinghaus developed a training school specifically geared for machine operators and programmers. These classes are held in Bradley, Illinois, and are manned by seasoned Peddinghaus service technicians. The schools are geared to both shop level and software issues, with classroom and hands-on training available.
The critical issue to allow us to make the progress we've had has been the strength of the engineering group, the service group, and the parts group, and the support we've gotten out of them.
The experienced service and parts personnel eager to serve our customers reflect Peddinghaus's knowledge of the steel construction industry. Telephone assistance is available daily, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The best thing about the Peddinghaus equipment is their ability to diagnose a problem over the telephone, and then in a matter of hours, in most cases, solve the problem, get the machine back running, know exactly what part to send, and get it the next day. And that's really what keeps the machines being productive, is their service department.
The service we receive from Peddinghaus is far more superior than I can get from anyone else. It's you phone, you have a problem with the machine, you phone, there seems to be somebody there ready to help you.
12 traveling service technicians are regionally located for the quickest response time to you. With the strongest warranty, training, and service support program in the industry, Peddinghaus offers our customers every opportunity for success.
You can do it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and never get hot, never overheat, never need any aspirin or a drink.
Tap into Peddinghaus's industry knowledge and ask us to perform an in-depth analysis of your coping requirements. Time studies, lease data, and payback justification will be promptly supplied for any project. An investment in Peddinghaus returns not only machine tool profitability, but also an insight into today's steel construction industry. Peddinghaus, innovative steel fabricating technologies.